Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Why? Oh. Oh my god. Cable. Fancy. I hate these connectors. These connectors are so stupid. Oh boy. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh god. I'm fucking this up. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. 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 So. Wow. That, yes. 5090. Wow. This is kind of insane that this is like retail and market price is like 2,500 right now. Jesus. All right. I'm going to put this down and install it. Pew, pew, pew. There we go. Boom. Ah, shit. This part always sucks. Trying to get this chunker out of here. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. All right. And here's the 4090 that I've been running. You can see it's a bit chunky. It's a big boy. It's a beefy boy. So this is the size of it. Comparison. This is the 5090. Yeah, it's a lot smaller. Oh, yeah. Like, look at that. Look, oh, they're different size. Oh god. Just gonna install this now. All right. Yeah, I uninstalled this bracket and I don't know why I did. Oh, sorry. You didn't see me do that. Nice. Plug it. Oh. There you go. This is what I use to get a right angle. I'm gonna turn this off for a second and try to get that cable. It's a little tight right now, so I'm gonna try to give it more leeway. Okay. Moment of truth. Power on. Holy shit. I was able to edit this video. Yay!